What's up guys, Ace here, we're in the wash bay at Panama City Beach, Harley Davidson. Today we're talking about washes. This bike came in for a service and it's getting a complimentary wash. What we provide is 4 different washes. We have a complimentary wash is what we're talking about today, deluxe wash, mini details and deluxe details. What we have here is a complimentary wash. The bike's gonna get washed down, sudsed up real good, fingerprints taken off, any kind of oils that may have been on the motor, we're going to get it degreased. Alright guys, so you've seen how we do complimentary wash. Part of maintaining your paint, your cosmetics on your bike is keeping it washed, keeping it clean, keeping the love bugs off it, because love bug season is right around the corner. So if you guys want to come on down, bring your bikes down, get them washed here at Panama City Beach, Harley Davidson.